Today we're making a super easy and super delicious Mexican dish. Vegetarian fajitas. As always, we'll cover the ingredients first, then we'll start cooking. You'll begin by thinly slicing your onion, then slicing those cuts right in half. That way you're left with easy bite-sized onion pieces. You'll do the exact same thing with your red bell pepper. Now we'll take our knife, cut the zucchini right in half, then slice little half circles. Now we'll slice our 8 ounces of mushrooms. For the mushrooms, you can use either baby bella or white mushrooms. Either one works. After our pan heats up, we can add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, your onions, your peppers, the zucchini, the mushrooms. Now, just let them cook. After you let them cook for a few minutes, you can begin adding the garlic and all the seasonings. Now we'll just let all the good flavors combine, let it cook for a few more minutes. Add your corn. Let the corn cook for an extra 2 or 3 minutes or until it heats up. Add your salt and pepper. Lime juice in. As soon as you add the lime juice, you can turn the heat right off and you're done. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.